Have you ever wondered how a tiny sperm and an egg come together to create life? Human fertilization is a fascinating process that marks the very beginning of our existence. Let's dive into the steps involved in this miraculous journey. Fertilization primarily occurs in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. This is where the sperm and egg meet, leading to the creation of a fertilized egg known as a zygote. The process begins with ejaculation during copulation and continues with ovulation, leading to fertilization. After ejaculation, millions of sperm travel towards the egg. The sperm must undergo a process called capacitation to become capable of fertilizing the egg. This process improves their mobility and prepares them for the next stage. Once near the egg, sperm encounter the corona radiata, a protective layer around the egg. Chemicals released from this layer attract the sperm, guiding them to the egg. As a sperm penetrates, it forms a cone of attraction, preparing for fusion. Next, the sperm reaches the zona pellucida, a thick membrane surrounding the egg. Here, special enzymes help the sperm to burrow through this layer, allowing it access to the egg's cell membrane. Once the sperm enters the egg's cytoplasm, the tail and outer coating of the sperm disintegrate. The fusion of the sperm and egg membranes initiates a cortical reaction, preventing any other sperm from entering. Now, let's talk about the important moment of genetic fusion. The sperm and egg's genetic materials come together, creating a new unique genetic identity. This leads to the formation of a pronucleus for both the sperm and the egg. As the two pronuclei migrate towards the center of the egg and replicate their DNA, they prepare for the first mitotic division, marking the transition to the next stage of development. After mitosis, we have two daughter cells, each carrying half of the genetic material from both parents. This is how human life begins. Fertilization can be affected by various diseases that influence fertility, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, autoimmune disorders, and certain cancers. Understanding these aspects is crucial for addressing fertility issues. In summary, human fertilization is a complex but beautifully orchestrated process that brings a new life into the world. If you're interested in learning more about fertility and reproductive health, don't hesitate to explore further. Your journey into understanding the miracle of life starts now. Have you ever contemplated how a minuscule sperm and an egg unite to initiate life? Human fertilization is a captivating phenomenon symbolizing the commencement of our existence. Let us examine the stages involved in this remarkable process. Fertilization primarily transpires in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. This location serves as the junction for sperm and egg, resulting in a fertilized egg, termed a zygote. The sequence begins with ejaculation during copulation, subsequently culminating in ovulation and fertilization. Post-ejaculation, millions of sperm embark towards the egg. These sperm undergo capacitation, a vital process that equips them for fertilization. This procedure enhances their motility, preparing them for subsequent stages. As sperm approach the egg, they encounter the corona radiata, a protective barrier encircling the egg. Chemicals released from this layer attract sperm, directing them toward the egg. Upon penetration, a cone of attraction forms, facilitating fusion. Subsequently, the sperm confronts the zona pellucida, a dense membrane enclosing the egg. Special enzymes present here assist the sperm in penetrating this layer, granting access to the egg's cell membrane. Upon entering the cytoplasm of the egg, the sperm's tail and outer coat deteriorate. The merger of sperm and egg membranes triggers a cortical reaction, thereby preventing additional sperm entry. Let us now examine the vital moment of genetic fusion. The genetic materials from both sperm and egg converge, creating a distinctive genetic identity. This process results in the establishment of pronuclei for both gametes. As the two pronuclei navigate toward the egg's center and replicate their DNA, they prepare for the initial mitotic division, signaling a transition to the subsequent developmental phase. Post-mitosis, two daughter cells emerge, each embodying half the genetic material contributed by both parents. This delineates the onset of human life. Fertilization may be influenced by various medical conditions affecting fertility, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, autoimmune disorders, and certain malignancies. Understanding these elements is essential for addressing fertility challenges. In conclusion, human fertilization represents a multifaceted yet elegantly coordinated process that ushers life into the world. Should you wish to delve deeper into fertility and reproductive health, feel free to explore further. Your quest for understanding this marvel of life commences now.